Welkom en vandag doen ek vir jou 'n gitaarcover van Thin Lizzy se Whiskey in a Jar. There we go.
Something like a pressure, something like a mountain, something like to hear a cannon roll. Me, I like sleeping, especially in my mindless chamber. But here I am in prison. Here I am with a bullet chain.
Dankie dat jy gekyk het.